Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Dhawle Pallavi and our today's Viva topic name is a linked list which is present in Java. So first we will see what is mean by linked list, what are use of linked list, what is difference between array list and linked list, and what are which method we implement in the linked list. So firstly we will see what is mean by linked list. So linked list is a part of collection framework which is present in java.util package. Linked list store the element in insertion order which is not allocated to continue, which is not store the element continuous memory location. Every element is a object which is having a data part and address part, and whenever we want to connect a two node, then it connect with the help of pointer or address. Then every element called as a node. And then whenever we want to create a one node, then we assign a address part or node part in that. Then we can easily perform the insertion operation or deletion operation over the array list. The Java linked list class maintain the insertion order, and also Java list class contain the duplicate element. Then Java linked list class implements list, tag and queue. So there I have difference between array list and linked list. In that array list internally uses the dynamic array to store the element of array, and store the element of multiple element. Then in that linked list we can internally uses the doubly linked list to store the linked list element, to store the element. Then next difference in that array list manipulation time take manipulation time is slow, because whenever we want to remove any element in that array list, then firstly we should shift the all element all bit into the memory, then we can perform the any operation. So it process take more time. That's why array list manipulation time take slow. And then in that linked list manipulation time to perform operation is very fast, because there is no need to shift bit into the other side, because they have internally uses the doubly linked list. So that's why no need to shift any element. We can perform the operation into the doubly linked list. So it is manipulation time take very small amount of time, and it is the faster manipulation. Then array list acts as a list because it implements only list. That's why array list act as a list only. And in that linked list acts as a list or queue queue type, because it's implement the stack or dequeue interfaces. Then array list is mostly better uses for sorting and access element, and linked list is better for manipulation of data. Then there are many method we can use in that linked list. Suppose we first method using add element. So add method, with the help of add method we can add the element in our linked list. We can easily add the element in the linked list where we can store our element. Then clear method present in the linked list. With the help of clear method, we can remove all data in our linked list with the help of clear method. Then index of method present in the linked list. With the help of index of method, we can easily access the index where our data can be stored. Then also last index of method present in the linked list. With the help of last index of method, we can easily access the last element in our linked list. With suppose I have a two duplicate element, suppose, and last index of give us to always a second number of index. It does not give a first number of element. Then two array method is used singly linked list. With the help of two array method, we can store our element into the array. Then also use size of method. Size of method, suppose we use the size of method, then we can easily access the size of our array or our linked list. That's all methods present in the linked list. So it's all about the linked list in Java. Thank you so much.